What's up, guys? 2022 F250 long bed 7.3 liter Godzilla. This is a 2017 Forest River Salem, weighs in at 8,000 pounds, travel trailer. We are going from New Hampshire to Wells, Maine on the beach for the next week, and then end of the week we're actually gonna go a little further up to Augusta and then all the way back. So I'll just keep you updated with fuel mileage and stuff like that. I am on 35 12.5 hybrid tires. Might hurt a little bit. The truck has 430 gears. It tows it no problem. I'm just gonna keep you updated on fuel mileage for those that are curious. Sitting a little nose high. I gotta lower the hitch just a few holes. My dad towed the trailer last. He has a 2020 Toyota Tundra, so clearly I think my truck is a little taller, so that's why we're a little nose high. I might just leave it for this trip. Later in August we're going up to Acadia, Maine. It's probably about 4.5 5 hours each direction, hundreds of miles, so I might lower it for that trip. But yeah, I'll just keep you updated here. Here's the setup. It's long, the crew cab long bed, and then camper with the tongues probably 32 feet, 34 feet maybe. So the truck is not really squatting, and it didn't really squat, but I do have airbags in cradles, and I think I'm running 20 PSI in them right now just to give it some cushion. But the truck, it's completely stock ride height. It didn't really squat. Maybe an inch or two, but I mean, it doesn't look like it's squatting. And then I just put some air in afterwards just to give it some cushion when we hit some expansion joints and stuff like that. So yeah, first time this summer, even though it's the end of July, first time camping. It's just been a crazy summer. Oh, I don't know if you guys could see that. There was just a bald eagle. But anyway, off we go. All right, reset the fuel mileage. Got 1 hour drive, 69 miles, 8,000 pound camper. Here we go. So we're about halfway through our trip. Running about 70, 65 to 70, 8.9. All right, we made it to the campsite and unloaded. We ended up with 8.6 miles per gallon for the trip up here, towing 8,000 pound travel trailer, 430 gears. All right, last update. Back from the trip, a lot has happened. It's been over a week. We did 447 miles, 8.6 miles per gallon was the average. 8.6, 2022, Godzilla 7.3, 430 gears.